We know that $120 of charging cable O.MG remotely steals data from Apple devices, and the O.MG cable can log keystrokes from anything it is connected to, including the Mac keyboards, iPhones, or iPads, and send data to attackers. And originally, O.MG cable was introduced in 2019, and in 2019 at DESCON, an IT security researcher going by the online handle of MG introduced lightning cable dubbed O.MG, and the cable that allows the remote attacker to steal data from the Apple devices. Now, an upgraded version of the O.MG cable has been released that is equipped with the additional capabilities. And the O.MG cable is like any standard Lightning to USB cable. It was demoed in 2019 by security researcher MG, who then the collaborator with the cybersecurity vendor HAK5 for the mass productions of the cables for penetration testers and security researchers. And the cable are called the MG and are available in several different versions, and which includes the lightning to USB-C. These cables appear to be similar from the other accessories manufacturers, which makes them a cause of concern as these can undermine devices' securities. Some of the unique features are the dollars of O.MG cable appears just like an Apple Lightning cable and is sold in USB-A and USB-C format. However, what makes it different from other cable around is the host of exclusive features that come packed with it. So, for instance, it's a geofencing feature that lets users strict or block payloads from the devices after inspecting its location to prevent the keystrokes or payload leakage that it has collected from other devices. And moreover, according to the Vice Joseph CEO Cox, O.MG cable is capable of chain keyboard mapping and fork the USB detail devices and entities, and it has a tiny implanted chip and a small same size as the chip found in authentic cables. That's why it becomes so difficult to identify malicious code. The implant consumes half of the length of the USB-C and conductor shell, due to which the cable keeps operating as usual. Transmit data from a mile away. O.MG cable can log keystrokes from anything it is connected to, including the Mac keyboards, iPhones, iPads, and send the data to an attacker from over a mile distance. However, the attacker has to establish a Wi-Fi hotspot with the cable and use a simple web-based app. Additionally, attackers can easily record keystrokes or deploy malicious software onto the Apple devices pretty conveniently. If you guys want more tech videos, you guys gotta subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on the notification. If you turn on the notification, you'll notify if you see any video, and we will see you in the next video.